Hello viewers, we have a project. It's Shifa Saniya. We can say it's a furniture factories. So here we installed 5 megapixel cameras. We have here total 6 cameras. So one by one we will show you our camera resolution and color. This is the one main factory controlling. So we will see the next. This is outdoor because black and white because of the at night time. So we will see the next one. This is also another one in outside. So again, next one. This place covering for the furniture paint, so this is the varnish area, we can say. Next, this is the staff room, black and white because of there is no light. So we'll see the next. This is another maintenance area covering by the Hikvision 5 megapixel cameras. So we'll see the next one. This is the main entrance for them. So we have this stuff over here, you can see. And let's see all of our camera again one more times. So here is the old cameras. So guys, see you with the next location, next project. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day for today. Thank you. Bye bye.